Imagine this: two identical twins, mirror images of each other, sharing the same DNA, the same childhood, the same environment. But as they grow older, their paths diverge. One twin makes a simple choice: to eat just a little less every day. Not starving, mind you, just stopping before feeling completely full. Decades pass, and the difference becomes stark. One twin radiates vitality, brimming with energy, looking years younger than their age. The other, however, grapples with the weight of age-related diseases. Could the secret to a longer, healthier life really be as simple as eating less? Welcome to the world of calorie restriction, or CR. This isn't about crash diets or the latest fasting fad. No, CR is a lifestyle, a long-term commitment to eating smarter, not just less. It's about reducing your daily calorie intake, typically by 20 to 30%, while still ensuring your body gets all the essential nutrients it needs. It's a delicate balance, a dance between nourishment and restraint. For decades, scientists have been fascinated by the potential of CR in laboratories across the world. From the humble yeast cell to the complex physiology of mice, the results have been consistently astounding. Creatures on calorie-restricted diets lived longer, sometimes up to 50% longer. But it wasn't just about quantity of life. It was about quality too. As research progressed to our closer cousins in the animal kingdom, the results held true. Studies on monkeys showed remarkable effects: delayed aging, fewer diseases, and more active years. It was as if CR had found the fountain of youth, hidden not in some mystical spring, but in the simple act of eating less. But what about humans? While we can't lock people in labs for decades to study the long-term effects, the research we do have is promising. Human studies show that calorie restriction reduces inflammation, that silent killer that underlies so many chronic diseases. It lowers blood pressure, improves insulin sensitivity, and even slows down biological markers of aging. It's not just about adding years to your life. It's about adding life to your years. So, why does eating less extend life? The answer lies deep within our cells, in the intricate machinery that keeps us alive. When we restrict calories, we reduce oxidative stress. Our bodies produce fewer harmful free radicals, those rogue molecules that damage our cells and accelerate aging. It's like turning down the flame on a stove, reducing the wear and tear on our cellular cookware. But that's not all. Calorie restriction activates longevity genes, sirtuins, and AMPK, that act like cellular repairmen, fixing damage and improving our metabolism. It's as if eating less sends a signal to our body: conserve energy, repair, rebuild. And then there's the effect on our mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells. With CR, these tiny energy factories become more efficient, producing more energy with less waste. It's like upgrading from an old, gas-guzzling car to a sleek, fuel-efficient hybrid. In essence, calorie restriction gives our body a break from the constant overdrive of modern life. It's a chance to repair, regenerate, and thrive. Imagine your body as a bustling city. Constant feasting is like running that city at full capacity 24/7. Eventually, things start to break down. CR is like implementing regular maintenance periods, allowing the city to clean up, repair roads, and optimize its systems. But let's be clear, calorie restriction isn't for everyone. It's not suitable for children, whose growing bodies need ample nutrition. It's not for pregnant women, who are nourishing new life. And it's certainly not for those who are already underweight or struggling with eating disorders. Done incorrectly, calorie restriction can lead to malnutrition, fatigue, or a weakened immune system. It's a powerful tool, but like any tool, it must be wielded with care and wisdom. For many people, the principles of CR can be applied in gentler ways. Intermittent fasting, for instance, alternates periods of normal eating with periods of reduced calorie intake. Or consider the Japanese concept of harahachi-bu, eating until you read 80% full. These approaches can bring many of the benefits of CR, without the need for strict, long-term calorie counting. The key is mindfulness. Pay attention to what you eat, and how it makes you feel. Are you eating out of hunger, or habit? Are you stopping when you're satisfied, or pushing on until you're stuffed? Small changes in our eating habits can lead to profound changes in our health and longevity. As we delve deeper into the science of aging, it becomes clear that longevity isn't about deprivation. It's about nourishing your body wisely, giving it what it needs, no more, no less. It's about creating an environment where your cells can function optimally, where your body can repair and regenerate efficiently. Think of your body as a finely tuned instrument. Overeating is like playing that instrument too loudly, too often. The strings wear out, the wood cracks, the sound becomes distorted. Calorie restriction is like playing that instrument with care and skill, producing beautiful music for years to come. But remember, the journey to longevity is a personal one. What works for one person may not work for another. Listen to your body, consult with healthcare professionals, and find the approach that resonates with you. Perhaps it's full calorie restriction, or maybe it's just being more mindful about what and when you eat. The goal isn't to follow a strict regimen, but to find a sustainable way of eating that supports your health and vitality. As we stand on the cusp of a longevity revolution, the power to shape our health destiny lies, quite literally, at the end of our forks. The choices we make every day, what we eat, how much we eat, can have profound effects on our long-term health and lifespan. So, can eating less help you live longer? The science suggests yes, but with the caveat that it must be done with balance, wisdom, and care. It's not about starving yourself or following extreme diets. It's about nourishing your body wisely and giving it the space to thrive. As we conclude this journey into the science of calorie restriction and longevity, I invite you to reflect on your own relationship with food. How might small changes in your eating habits contribute to your long-term health? What steps can you take today to eat more mindfully, to nourish your body more wisely? Remember, the goal isn't just to add years to your life, but to add life to your years. To wake up each morning full of energy, to move through your days with vitality, to enjoy the richness of life well into your golden years. That's the true promise of longevity science. Not just a longer life, but a fuller, more vibrant one. If this exploration of calorie restriction and longevity has sparked your curiosity, I encourage you to dig deeper. Read the research, talk to health professionals, experiment safely with your own habits, and don't forget to share this knowledge with others. After all, the journey to better health and longer life is one we're all on together. Thank you for joining me on this fascinating journey into the science of eating less and living longer. Until next time, here's to your health, your longevity, and the wisdom to nourish your body wisely.